flat. It's not my rip-up. And I'm at the junkyard here. You know what I mean? I had to pull like a pressure hose off of this 320 here. Mine broke off when I did the reassembly, so kind of show you what I'm going. This here, so yeah. Alright. And it connects from the boost from here, so wrap its way all the way around down into the intake manifold. And that's mine. This piece broke off, so yeah, I have to get the adapter piece that goes in the back of the manifold. That piece here, so that one here, so yeah, it should be good to go. I don't see anything. I see a lot of a couple of 320s out here, but yeah, seeing better days though. Seeing better days. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna see what I can pull and go on to the next one. Yeah, there's another one over there, so too. And then one up there. So yeah, might be busy for a little bit. So I can let them dry. But yeah, let's see where I'm going. Alright, yeah. Alright guys, so I'm at the junkyard parking lot here. You see I like literally rigged that up to match this. So you see this was actually a part from the 04 models. And the 04 models, they actually delete these, you know what I mean? So they just capped that. So I used that cap, drilled a hole in it, super glued it to match that fitting, but it wasn't exact. I think I was still having a vacuum leak. I mean, obviously. So I'm gonna try this now and see what happens. All right, yeah, man. Not for pause because one man band thing, you know. Yeah. Pushes right in. You see that? It goes underneath that. Yeah, see how it's sliding in that there, so. But if I mean, obviously you see, if you don't have that lock in there, that release, you know, it'll either come out or get stuck. So I'm gonna now put it in yet until we put on the ring. So this goes This goes first. Alright. Rocking. Lucky like that, right? Now you take this one here, so right? My dirt in a bumbo. And then put this right on top. It's pretty good. So this will just clap on. Right, see that? Clap on like that, right? And all you have to do now is you just slide that bad boy in. You have to do it like that. If you don't do it like that, you are just kind of screwed. Get this well situated. So I want this. Kind of want this underneath, like that. Yeah. This underneath, like so. Come back on that. That's it. I just lock it now. And then when you want it, you just squeeze that, and then it come out. But I'm not gonna really be nervous. I don't like playing with myself too much. I did a break on me. But yeah, simple step, yeah. Simple step. Everything lock up good. And then you have a little boot here. Boot. Yeah, just fit that back on. So. I don't even know if I was recording it straight. I'm gonna say blood clot. It's not my rip off.